For this question, I'm going to answer the question of how did I use media technologies in the construction and research, planning and evaluation stages. First of all, I'd just like to start off and saying that throughout this whole media coursework, I used a range of different types of technology. For example, the first one I would like to mention is Blogger. As you can see on the screen, Blogger I use is probably the main piece of technology I use, because I had to put all my work onto Blogger. So I'll just go into my my group's blog. So as you can see from here, you can see everyone from my group blogs onto this. So we have Karen, me and also. So Blogger was key, as I had to blog all the posts from my research, planning, evaluation onto this blog, and every other blog I did, if it was made on a presentation site, I'll have to embed it onto a Blogger. So as I mentioned, the presentation sites I used was, I'll first start from Prezi. So Prezi, I used a lot of I used Prezi quite a lot, as you can see. So I'll show you an example. Once I created a presentation, for example, my ancillary production pitch, once it's done, let's wait for this to load. I'll just copy and paste the embed code and I'll just put it on. I'll show you. So try this. So normally so I'll just press embed, copy code to clipboard. So it's copied, so I'll just go back to I'll just press new post. So then I'll click on the HTML and I'll copy and paste. So there's the embed code, and compose, and then it's ancillary page. So I'll label myself, so these keys, so Rebecca and Louisa can see who's done what. And so I'll publish it, and normally it will come up. So here you can see it's come up. Wait, you'll see it just about. Let it load till it come up. So yeah, Blogger is the main piece of technology I use. So here you can see the blog has been uploaded. So also I used emails. So this year, like you can see, I used emails quite a lot too. So I'll just do the same thing. I'll make the presentation and I'll get the embed code and I'll put it on Blogger. I did this throughout my research, planning and my evaluation. Also I used Powtoon I used for my pitch. So like I'll do the same thing yet again. I'll just once I complete the presentation, and then I'll get the embed code and embed it onto Blogger. I also used SlideShare. SlideShare was first of all, to use SlideShare, I'll first have to use PowerPoint. So once I've created my presentation on PowerPoint, I would upload it onto. So I'll just click upload. Click upload. So once I click upload, I'll attach the file that I've saved onto my desktop, and then upload it onto SlideShare, and then it will become like these. So this was the these are just the presentation slides I use. So these are all presentations I've made, and then I've uploaded it onto Blogger using the embed tool. So that's just one aspect of Blogger, and using it in conjunction with Blogger to display my work. Also that's just also I used Twitter and Instagram to keep Rebecca and Louisa updated with my filming progress. So we can tweet the Candy Media account, so when we are filming out, we can also post pictures where we are and be able to show that we're okay and everything's happening. Also, one big thing that we used was YouTube. YouTube helped us a lot. So for example, YouTube, Ellie Goulding was a main inspiration for so Ellie Goulding, I'll just open a video. So she would I would like just get Ellie Goulding, there's Pixelot, lay me down. So Pixelot, I'll just watch her videos and try and inspire me to think of ideas and what I could use for my research. Also research, I also embedded again used the embedded tool to embed the YouTube videos into my. Also these are this is my magazine in where I created it in Photoshop. So for example, this iTunes, Spotify and Google Play, I used the magic tool tool, so magic brush. So before, when I copied and pasted it, it didn't really look clear and it was a bit pixelated on the sides. This is where I used magic tool to highlight the image, so I can delete and get rid of the pixelated parts of the image. And here I used Photoshop again to I desaturated a picture of Karen, and then I intensified the brightness and the contrast. And here I used different font types to make the magazine stand out. And here's my front cover. Yet again I did desaturate the photos of Karen and used fun colorful colors. Here's the back panel of my digipack. It's quite simple design. So throughout this media project, I think I used quite a lot of technology, and I think I've done it quite well. And you can see throughout my whole blog I've used a very different types of media technology. And I think also forgetting, I used video cameras to record my music video. Without a video camera I wouldn't be able to record the music video. Also we used lights to get a clear shot of the artist. So throughout the media project I did use a lot of different types of technology to show what I've done, and also the construction of the my research, my planning and valuation. It all came down to the different types to show on how I showed that was through the different types of technology.